Rise and shine, ballet, you bring it down. Rancang mampu strike back to the town. You can like kulihat yang kau sembunyikan. Laporan dia punya sikit gerak perlahan. Jadi, move on with the groove. Everybody on, move on with the groove. Cuma saja dia berdiri, nanti sampai rumah malah pengen denger lagi. Lagi, ya terus saja. Kita begini jadi manusia senja. Kita lapor nanti lebih tinggi dari raja. Makin kita lapor ke bawah.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afiq Farhan bin Zaliman from DKM2A. Today I will share with you guys about introduction of differentiation. First of all, differentiation is used readily in solving problems, especially in engineering, medical, commercial, and many other fields. When you find the rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity, you are actually doing differentiation. Next, differentiation in mathematics, the process of finding a derivative or rate change a function. In contrast to the abstract nature of theory, on the contrary, practical technique of differentiation can be carried out purely algebraically manipulation using three basic derivatives, 4 operating rules, and a knowledge of how to manipulate function. Next, I will share with you guys about the example application of differentiation in our life. When a person is running up a hill, his vertical height will change with respect to his horizontal height. This rate of change of vertical height with respect to horizontal height is called its gradient. Other than that, of example of application of differentiation of in real life. In engineering, differentiation helps with a lot of way in the application piston, which are readily used not only in shipping but also vertical. Differentiation allow us to discover and apply the piston used in all areas. These findings are very important and useful to us as a result of this development. That's all for me. Let's the question from my friend.
Yeah.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Afiq. Today I want to tell about step to solve the graph of a curve with equation equals to x cubed minus x squared minus 2x. Firstly, use differentiation to find expression for gradient curve dy over dx. Secondly, find the coordinates of any stationary points by the curve. Thirdly, how many stationary points does the graph have? Next, determine y-intercept point. Next, determine the nature of any stationary point you found in part C. This. Then specifying your answer. Lastly, sketch the graph of the curve.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Razman. So after the introduction, we go into the question. Given y equal x cube minus 3x squared plus 6 is an equation of a curve. Determine the maximum minimum of all reflection point occur and sketch the graph. So we how to solve this question, we go step by step. So step 1, use differentiation to find expression for gradient of curve dy over dx. So we got dy over dx equal 3x squared minus 6x. How we get the answer? So the power move into the front. The power also minus 1. So same goes the another number. So we got 3x squared minus 3 multiplication 2, the power to minus 1, and 6 when we differentiate we got 0. So we got the 3x squared minus 6x. Okay, after that we go to the step 2. we must put this equal to 0. dy over dx equal 0. So we get 3x squared minus 6x equal 0. After that, we must use calculator equation to get the answer x equal 0. So let's do the use calculator. Okay, this is how to use calculator. We press the setup. So alpha, negative. So 2. So we put the value. So 3, negative 6, 0. So we got x1 equal to x2 equal 0. Okay, we go to the step 3. So substitute x1, put into this equal. So it will be in bracket 2 cube minus 3 in bracket 2 square plus 6, and the answer is 2. So we use the substitute x2 put in this equal to, and it will be 0 cube minus 3 0 in bracket square plus 6, and the answer will be 6. Then we go to the step 4. So the stationary points are at the coordinate 2, 2 and 0,6.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Amir Tisham. I want to continue another step. So let's go to step 5. Okay, use the second derivative d square y over dx square to find what type the stationary point is. Okay, let's see the d square y over dx2 equal to 6x. Okay, when x equal to, so the calculation is 6 in bracket 2 minus 6 equals 6, which is the positive point. So when x equal to 0, the calculation is 6 in bracket 0 minus 6 equal to negative 6, so which is the negative point. Okay, let's continue to the step 6. So 2 is a minimum point and 0, 6 is a maximum point. Okay, so let's continue to the step 7. So sketch the graph. So the graph will look like this. So if the minimum point is 2, 2, so the graph will look like this.
Smile.
Like a smile face. So in the maximum point, the graph will look like a sad face. Like this. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.
That's all for my friend. In our conclusion of application of differentiation can be quite challenging as it requires a deep understanding in order to solve it. However, this challenge should not be an obstacle for you to master it and give it your best shot. If you follow each step that our group explained early correctly, you should be able to solve it successfully. Always remember that every difficulty has a solution. Therefore, my suggestion is that you should revise this topic thoroughly. It will increase your self-understanding and proficiency, and you will be able to solve various types of questions easily. As a result, you will be able to score full mark on this topic. That's all for me. Thank you. Bye.